Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you 3 ways to find where the command is located on Linux. So let's open the terminal and I will show you, as I said before, 3 commands that you can use in order to find where the command is located on Linux. So first one is which. Which command shows the path to the executable that will be run. So, as you can see, we have which command, and we have the path to this command. This command is stored in the user, bin, in, and the ls directory. So this is how you can do it. The very important note is that this command works only for external commands. So, for example, it will not work for command that is built in. The example of built-in command is cd. Cd, you can of course switch between folders with it. So if you will use which command with the cd, it basically will not work. So this returns nothing because the cd command is a shell built-in. So as I said before, you have to use this command only with external commands. The second one is whereis. So where is and ls. This will show the binary location, the source file and the manual pages, as you can see right there. The third one, and I think the most detailed is, and the most recommended, is the type command. As you can see, we have, this will tell you exactly what the command is. So ls is alias to ls -- color equals auto. You can also do something like this. So type cd, as you can see, it is working. So cd, as I said, is a shell built-in. You can do type ls, I showed you that, and you can, for example, create aliases. So I will create an alias ll that equals ls - l. As you can see, it should work. Yes, it is working, and right now we can use type ll, and as you can see, it is also working. Ll is alias to ls - l. We can check the other command. So where is ll? As you can see, it returns nothing, and which ll, and it also returns nothing. So this is why type is better, because type can detect aliases, built-ins, function, and executables, and I just recommend you to use this. If you want the path, you can also use the which command, and that would be all in this video. This is how you can check where the command is located and basically what is a command. So as I showed you here. If you found this video helpful, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.